Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't help you create bots that auto-like content because that crosses platform rules and risks your account. Instead, focus on permitted actions. Use TikTok's native features, favorites, save, and notifications to track videos you want to engage with. Once you set notifications for creators, you'll see posts promptly and can like manually. Also consider applying for TikTok's official API access if you need programmatic, compliant data for research or analytics. Start by enabling creator notifications so you get a prompt when someone you follow posts. This makes manual likes immediate and reliable. Next, use favorites and collections to organize content into bundles you can review and like in short sessions. If you need automation for analysis, apply for TikTok's official API access. This gives you compliant, rate-limited data and clear rules to follow. Make sure to read the developer terms and respect user privacy. Following rules to finish, audit authorized apps and revoke access for anything suspicious. This prevents unintended automation. If you ever get a warning or temporary restriction, stop any automation, change your password, and enable two-factor authentication to secure the account. If problems persist, contact TikTok support and provide clear details. They can clarify whether behavior violated policies and guide reinstatement. Troubleshooting tip: if an app acted on your behalf, revoke its token and check activity logs before reauthorizing anything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.